Hi everyone and welcome to my Snappy Sats practice series. In this series I'll be teaching you short and easy methods to really help you fly through your Sats. In this video I'll be giving you a walkthrough in answering questions that involve decimals. The selection of questions have been taken from the 2018 National Curriculum Test, Key Stage 2. Right, before we begin, hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on new videos. In this test, you must not use a calculator to answer any questions in this test. You have 30 minutes to complete this test. Work as quickly and as carefully as you can, and put your answer in the box for each question. If you cannot do a question, go on to the next one, and if you finish before the end, go back and check your work. I want to draw your attention to the barcode at the bottom of the page. Ensure you don't write on this barcode. Let's work through a selection of examples. 56.38 plus 24.7. I'm going to show you a formal written method using column addition. The first thing you need to make sure is that the decimal points are aligned. Next, write your numbers around the decimal points and add a placeholder where there are no digits. 8 plus 0 is 8, 3 plus 7 is 10, 6 plus 4 is 10, add back the 1 makes 11, 5 plus 2 is 7, add back the 1 equals 8. Our final answer reads 81.08. For the question 10 take away 5.4, I'm first going to subtract the whole numbers. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. I'm then going to take the 5 and minus 0.4. My answer is therefore 4.6. For this question, I'm going to walk you through using column subtraction. So the first thing I'm going to do again is add my decimal points and ensure they are aligned. I'm then going to write the numbers around the decimal point. So I should have 6 point and minus 5.738. I'm then going to add placeholders where there are no digits. So starting from 0 take away 8. I can't take 8 away from 0, so I move to the next column to borrow. I can't borrow anything from there because I also have another 0. So I go to my next column, 0 take away 7. Again, I can't borrow anything from here, so I go over to my whole number, which is 6. I can borrow from there, so I cross out the 6 and that leaves 5. I then carry over the 1 to the tenths column. Continue to borrow and carry a 10 to each column. This leads us to 10 minus 8, which equals 2, 9 minus 3, which equals 6, 9 minus 7, which equals 2, and 5 minus 5, which equals 0. The question 3.9 times 30 is the same as saying 3.9 times by 3 times by 10, and I'm going to work it out using this way. So step 1, I'm going to multiply 3.9 by 3. Setting this out using a written method, I'm going to do 9 times 3, which is 27, 3 times 3, which is 9, add back the 2, makes 11. My number now reads 11.7. I now need to multiply this by 10. Remembering when I multiply by 10, my number becomes 10 times greater. So my number now reads 117. I've included some questions from the 2017 arithmetic paper. Try these and type the answers in the comment section. I'd also love to hear the different methods that you use to work these questions out. Again, thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and share and like my video. Thank you. See you next time.